Hello there, I'm Carl, CEO of WordMonster, and welcome to the MonsterComm Conference Arena. We're putting on an event for people working in pharma. It's for you if you're working in medical affairs or commercial, whether you're in-house or an agency. It's going to be an event like no other. We're going to be meeting in this 2D virtual space where you become a little character and can walk about the place. When you get close to another person, it starts a video and an audio conversation automatically. So it's just like being at an in-person conference. Here is how it's going to go down. First up, you enter into a tutorial area to suss out how to move about. We then have a coffee experience where you'll stick your own kettle on and bring it along while you chat with people before the talks. We then have 2 hours of talks. I'll be talking about how to make remote working work for you and how we've created our industry leading culture all without an office. Caroline is going to touch on how we fill the skills gap that exists in medical communications and what we're doing to bring more people into our industry. Molly is then going to be speaking about the importance of flexibility, why this matters to people, and insights on what people are prioritizing when it comes to their work lives and their home lives. And then lastly, Stephanie is going to be speaking about gamification in healthcare, how games can be used to engage your customers, healthcare professionals, and patients. We'll then be hosting an exhibition with a virtual booth experience where you can meet and mingle with our partners who are sponsoring the event, and you'll also get a chance to chat with our speakers directly here too. Then we have some additional optional experiences. So you can come and see what working together in virtual reality looks like, where we're going to showcase how we hold our own meetings in virtual reality. We'll then give you a tour of our own 2D office space that we use at WordMonster for our daily collaboration and show you how we use it for meetings and for just hanging out and creating an awesome culture. Finally, to truly make the most of the platform, we're putting on a treasure hunt with Easter eggs placed all around the conference center. It's going to be a blast, and I can't wait to see you here. Grab a ticket for MonsterComm now, taking place on the 12th of July. Go on, we don't bite much.